Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most incredible tools I have discovered for image enhancement. It's called ImageUpscaler.ai and it will blow your mind. Imagine taking a blurry low resolution photo and transforming it into a crystal clear high resolution masterpiece. That's what ImageUpscaler does using advanced artificial intelligence. Whether you have all the photos you want to restore, screenshot you want to enhance, artwork you want to upscale, or any images that need improvement, upscaler.ai can do it. The results are absolutely stunning. In this video, I will show you how to use this tool. So what exactly ImageUpscaler.ai? It is an online artificial intelligence tool that uses machine learning to upscale images. Upscaling means increasing the resolution and the quality of an image. When you are upscale an image traditionally, you just make it bigger, but it looks blurry and pixelated because you're stretching the same amount of pixel. ImageUpscale.ai is different. It uses advanced neural network trained 1 million of high-quality images to intelligently add detail, clarity, and sharpness to your image. The AI analyzes your image and predicts what the missing detail should be. It fills in gaps and enhancing edges and creates a result that look like the original was shot at high resolution. This technology is cutting edge. Only few years ago, this would have been impossible. Now you can do it by using your web browser instantly. ImageUpscale.ai support multiple upscaling modes. You can enhance a damaged image, the possibility to use images in different types, JPEG, PNG, WebP, and other common image formats. Let me show you exactly how to use ImageUpscaler.ai. This process is incredibly simple. First, go to ImageUpscaler.ai in your web browser. The homepage is clear and straightforward. You will see a large upload area in the center. Click on it or drag and drop an image. You can upload image from your computer. Just click upload area and the file browser will open. Navigate to your image file and select it. The image will upload to the server. Alternatively, you can drag an image directly from your clipboard if you have one copy. The interface supports all these methods for convenience. After you uploading, you will see your image preview on left side and various settings in the right side. The first setting is upload factor. Determine how much larger your image will become. You have options like 2x, 4x, 8x. Next, you will see enhancement type. This is where you choose what kind of enhancement you want. Also, you have denoise, which remove grain and noise from your image. You have deblur, which sharpens blurry image. Then make process, and it will take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on image size and upscale factor. Then you will see progress bar showing the process status. Once done, you will see your image before and after, and you will see before in the left side and after in the right side. The difference is usually dramatic. If you like the improvement, then click download for your image.